Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, but I am back guys with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup video, and today I'm going to be turning myself into a baddie. I'm kind of just in the mood to make up and chill with you guys, and I have a really cute idea for some makeup, so let's go ahead and do it. Today I'm going to be turning myself into a scene baddie. Scene makeup is always so freaking cute and so cool, and today I want to do something with cheetah print and some really bright colors, so let's see how this turns out. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm not going to waste any time because I kind of have to get ready for school. I'm just going to start off and do my eyebrows. Okay. Here are the eyebrows done. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyeshadow because what I do now in my makeup routine is that I actually do my eyeshadow first, like right after I do my eyebrows. So for today's makeup look, I'm really inspired by this picture right here. I think it's super cute. I love people with alternative fashion and makeup styles, and that's why I try so much of it on my channel. I'm just gonna use this color right here because it's really bright pink. My eyelids are prepped and ready to go. It looks kind of silly right now, but it's okay because makeup is always trust the process with me, low-key. It looks so bright on camera, it's crazy. For this makeup look, I'm gonna try and bring the eyeshadow up a little bit more towards the brow. I'm actually gonna go in with some right here with some black. Okay, this is how this eye looks with the black. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this with this one. Now we're actually gonna do the cheetah spots, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some eyeliner. Okay, this is how it's looking so far, since I actually want to highlight the brow bone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, now that the brow bone is highlighted, this looks so cute. Now let's move on to the rest of the makeup so we can go ahead and get this done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use some primer to quickly prep around the rest of my face. This is the Super Stay foundation. This foundation is for the full coverage girlies. No hate to clean makeup or anything, but like I've never really been one for like clean girl makeup. I love doing full coverage, like glam makeup. Let's blend out this foundation. And I blend out my foundation with a brush. Now that I've used my brush to apply it, now I'm just gonna blend it out with this. Okay, and there, this is the foundation, and now let's work on the concealer. Also, y'all, we have to talk about how cold it's been getting. I was whining about this last year, but now it's just getting ridiculous because it is so freaking cold. I'm talking 30, 40, 50 degrees. I only really like wintertime for like the vibes. Like the Christmas vibes are always so cutesy, and I love celebrating with like my family and my friends and stuff. Now I'm going to do my under eyes. I'm gonna put powder on my face. I'm just using this NYX HE powder. I'm just gonna put this everywhere on my face. Okay, my face is nice and smooth and matte. I'm gonna do some contour with this NYX Buttermelt bronzer. I did this off camera, but still, this looks so fire, and it literally changes like the shape of my face kind of like. But now I want to do some eye details, like add some eyeliner, highlighter, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. When I do makeup, I always kind of do eye bags, so I'm just gonna draw some on with this palette, and I use this color. I'm just adding this for my own personal flair. This isn't necessarily in scene makeup. I still want to add a lot of highlighter, so I'm going to be doing that with this pencil. Okay, so I did the highlighter underneath the eyes, and I did a tiny wing like right here, and I'm just going to do that on this side as well. When I do wings, I genuinely do not breathe. Like, this is that serious. Okay, this makeup is looking so good. I was a baddie before, but now I'm even a better baddie right now. Okay, now it's time for some mascara. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm using the NYX Buttermelt blush, and I'm just gonna add a little bit. And I'm also gonna put the blush pretty high up, like right here. Now it's time to put on the lashes. Y'all, look at this makeup look. And this looks so good, y'all. But we're not even done because we still have to tackle the lips. Now I'm just gonna use this lip gloss. Y'all, look at this makeup. It looks super freaking cute. I went ahead and put my hair down, and I have that side part that all the scene baddies have. Like, how did I do, guys? I feel like such a baddie right now. Like, y'all, I literally feel so freaking cute with this. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's been a minute, but I really wanted to post a makeup video for you guys. But guys, don't forget to follow my TikTok and my Instagram. They'll be on the screen right here. This was so much fun, and let me know what other makeup styles I should try, what other makeup things I should do. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and my channel and loving my videos and my content. And I love making these videos for you guys because it's so much fun. I love doing this. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.